Hello friends, welcome to a new concept in trigonometry called trigonometry of complementary angles. Okay, trigonometry of complementary angles. Imagine we have a right triangle that is ABC, right angled at C, and it is such that I call this side as the perpendicular. This is my base, and this is my hypotenuse. Okay, and everything is relative to this angle alpha. Okay, the perpendicular, the base, the hypotenuse, everything is relative to this angle alpha. So what it means is that sine of alpha is equal to p upon hypotenuse, cos of alpha is equal to b upon hypotenuse, and tan of alpha is equal to perpendicular upon base. But if I shift my frame of reference to beta, okay, if I shift my frame of reference to beta, what actually happens is, now look at this part, my frame of reference is now beta. So cos of beta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sine of beta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and cot of beta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now you see what is the relation between alpha and beta. So we know that alpha plus beta plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now alpha plus beta plus angle C, which happens to be 90 degree, is equal to 180 degrees. Now this means that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, and what this means is alpha is equal to 90 minus beta, or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. Now remember this, alpha is equal to 90 minus beta, or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. But look at this, sine of alpha is equal to cos of beta, cos of alpha is equal to sine of beta, and tan of alpha is equal to cot of beta. You see, sine alpha perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this is also perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos alpha base upon hypotenuse, sine beta base upon hypotenuse. So you see, sine alpha is equal to cos beta, cos alpha is equal to sine beta, and tan alpha is equal to cot beta. What this actually tells you is that the angles are complementary, and when the angles are complementary, their opposite trigonometric functions are equal, which means that sine of alpha is equal to cos of beta, which is not very important, but what is important is sine of alpha is equal to cos of 90 minus alpha. You see, beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. Similarly, cos of alpha is equal to sine of beta, which is equal to sine of 90 minus alpha. Similarly, tan of alpha is equal to cot of beta is equal to cot of 90 minus alpha. And if I just extend these identities to their reverses, you will get cosec alpha. Just by symmetry and by reversing the values, you will get cosec of alpha is equal to sec of 90 minus alpha. Sec of alpha is equal to cosec of 90 minus alpha, and tan and cot we have already written here, but I'll write here cot of alpha is equal to tan of 90 minus alpha. These are 6 formulae that we're going to use very frequently going forward. I will strongly urge you to remember and by heart them very well. I'll also show you an example here. Sine 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and sine 60 should be equal to cos of 90 minus 60, which is equal to cos 30, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, going by this logic, if I say sine 20, this will be equal to cos of 70. I don't know the values, but you can check, it will be the same. Similarly, sine of 45 will be equal to cos of 45. Okay, and this is because it will always equal to cos of 90 minus 20. This will be equal to cos of 90 minus 45. Let me take some tricky values. Sine of 25 will be equal to cos of 65. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. I urge you to subscribe so that you receive proactive notifications of all my videos, which by the way I upload at 8 p.m. every night. In case you have any queries, questions, doubts, or if you want me to solve any part of the syllabus of class 9 to 12 mathematics, do put down your queries in the comments below, or shoot a WhatsApp message to me at the number in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.